Harmony's Resilience. The Tale of Eliza and the Village's Unity. In a quaint village named Everbrook, there lived a young girl named Eliza. She was known throughout the village for her unwavering spirit and her ability to daunt any challenge that came her way. Eliza held decorum and respect for everyone, treating each person with kindness and deference, regardless of their background or status. One day, the village faced a crisis due to a default in the water supply system. The clear streams that used to flow through the village had dried up, and the villagers were left without water. Panic and frustration began to diffuse everywhere, and some began to denigrate the village leaders, blaming and diatribe them for the situation. Eliza took it upon herself to delineate the issue. She discovered that the water source had been inadvertently blocked due to a fallen tree during a recent storm. Despite the dryness in the air and the scorching sun, Eliza tirelessly worked to remove the tree, showing a level of dedication that defied her years. As she worked, some villagers derided her efforts, calling her naive and claiming that her actions were derivative of her youthful optimism. However, Eliza's determination remained unshaken. She refused to let their words desiccate her spirit. In the midst of her efforts, the village faced another problem. The discussions on how to solve the water crisis became desultory, with disagreements leading to a discordant atmosphere. A few villagers even launched into diatribes against one another, further deepening the dichotomy within the community. Eliza recognized that this discord was a deterrent to progress. She decided to address the villagers, her voice clear and confident, as she spoke about the need for unity and understanding. She gently offered her insights, urging them to overcome their diffidence and work together to find a solution. She also said only then they can disabuse their past activity. Her words had a discerning effect on the villagers. Slowly, the barriers began to dissolve, and a sense of common purpose emerged. With newfound cooperation, they managed to repair the water supply and restore harmony to the village. In the end, the village celebrated its triumph over adversity with a joyous gathering. Eliza's efforts were honored, and her ability to discern the underlying issues and guide the community toward a solution became an inspiration for all. The dichotomy between discord and unity had been bridged thanks to her wisdom and perseverance. The story of Eliza and the water crisis served as a lasting reminder that even in the face of challenges, unity, understanding, and cooperation can help overcome any digression from the path of harmony. And so, the village of Everbrook learned that it is only through working together that they could create a harmonious dirge of progress and growth. Thanks for watching, and best wishes. Hope you win the war you tell no one about.